Dainty and adorable, these lovely, easy-to-grow orchid flowers bloom in a cluster, displaying its beauty and elegance. Unlike its sweet and gentle impression, it releases a powdery, strong, woody aroma with hints of spicy vanilla. To enhance your scent experience and provide beneficial values, we have chosen to add therapeutic orchids in our fragrance composition. These orchids serve to provide medicinal usage on top of their soothing effects, bringing greater levels of comfort to those who utilize them. Minor illnesses or injuries such as fever or cuts can be treated with this orchid. In Yunnan, its benefits extend to treating weak kidneys and backache. This orchid has a rich history of medicinal use and has been valued for centuries. Even today, it remains as a traditional tonic to promote health and longevity in traditional Chinese medicine. This is evident in the fact that the World Health Organization has recognized this orchid as a medicinal plant. Other ingredients in this composition include papyrus, rosewood, teak, and birch. Papyrus, an ancient form of paper used by Egyptians with a long history, dated back to as far as the 4th millennium BCE. In perfumery, it can be described as aromatic woody scent with leathery and spicy nuances, perking up your fragrance with its invigorating nature. Birch, on the other hand, is a thin-leaved, deciduous hardwood tree. Birch extract today is commonly used in perfumes and as flavoring agents. While the birch wood is refreshingly minty with a sweet woody aroma, birch tar is used in lending leathery notes to perfumes. Subtly sensual, Woody 5 is perfect for the woman who likes her scent to be striking and formidable, but still elegant and refined.